So now I'm in the elevator at my aunt's crib. She wants me to help her put together a ponytail like the one I got. So we about to do that. It's me just sitting here and everybody working. So we're gonna have to go to the store because why would she get just one? I guess she thought like it was just, it looks like a ponytail, so this is enough, but it's okay though. I eat when I'm stressed and when I'm bored. Talk about some fire hazard. I am weak. Yeah, it's a lot. Okay. So we gotta look for like braiding hair. Yeah. Hi. Let's see. Yeah, there's a lot going on in here. No, it's probably further down in the back. Like, this place is just always so packed. It's kind of like that one, but that's not the one. I want to give you the one that so it's similar to like this. It's something like this. Yeah, so it's like things like this, like the 3-pack. See that you can like, let me see if they have more options back here. Like, that might be too big, but it's definitely I feel like I'm getting closer to it. Because at the one that I go to, it'd be like by, yeah, it's like over here. Yeah, this, look at this. Sasha talking about, they got everything. We know. We know. It's this right here. See how it has like the braiding hair up here?
Afro twist?
Yeah. It's that stuff. And sometimes too, like, I don't know if they have like the big jumbo twist, but like I used to get the big jumbo twist and then like separate the twist. You know what I mean? I'm looking for, see what other options they got, cause there's so much happening in here. So much going on for real. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna come back over there too, because I feel like there's no more over here. Yeah, no. No, I need to just... Yeah, we're gonna just go to the back. This is a lot. There's a man with like one leg limping into the store. There's a lot going on. Sue? Breakable items, please watch your kids. Like, how do people not steal from here? Because this is like so crazy to me. So like, what color do you want? Hi, you can help us? Okay.
Not this.
Yeah.
Did you see the jumbo twist? I don't know.
Yeah, this is better.
Yeah, because that looks like...
No, yeah, get this.
Yeah. This
And maybe get like 2. Because sometimes just in case, like if one of them, like say something happens to like the ponytail holder or something, you know what I'm saying? I'm able to always make another one.
Too, like,
to mix it in,
yours.
right?
Yeah. But
that's why I asked him if he can help us, because he could probably find it. Because ain't nobody looking through.
Oh, what is this boho? Oh, my bad.
Braids at the top, wavy on the bottom. Yeah, this is like so overwhelming. Y'all, look at all of this. Like, this has to be like, you can't tell me this is just, like, where did they get this from? Like, where did they buy all this shit? It's way too much stuff. There's no way in hell. Yes, okay. So I wanted to get over there, she has the hair that I wanted to get. Well, she wants to get, but we want to see if we have it in a different color. Like what other colors you got it in. She has it. It's the blue one. See the blue?
This one?
Yeah.
And another color?
Do you have another color in that?
Oh, okay. Come with me. Excuse me.
Okay. Aisle's so tight. Oh shit. I'll be over here. Cause I can't.
A lot of color.
All the colors
Yeah,
here.
18 inch. You can see.
18-inch. Okay, but what about that style?
Style?
Yeah, like that exact thing. Why would I want this and that? I want the...
Also there are a few. See, like different style.
So you don't have the wavy one in a different color? No.
You can check, but there's a lot of brand, you know.
Yeah.
You can find anything.
This hair place is so insane. Like, why the fuck is it like this? To put the camera up here to like record me. Look, there's shit everywhere. Too stunned to speak. Like, huh? Like, I told her, let's go to my hair store because my hair store, y'all see, it don't be looking like this. But this is some bullshit. It's a beautiful store, you know? If you're looking for like a magnitude of options, you're in the right place. But if you're not, then you're in the wrong place. Yeah. Wow. Like, okay, I think I found a different color over here. The same. It's so crazy how I randomly just ran into this different color. And they got red. I think I found it. But I'm over here, back here. You like... That's why I said, like, okay, so which one? I was saying 18, this one. See that? That got that color. Well, let me see. Let's move this.
Oh, he just put him out?
No, he didn't. He's showing me straight hair. Straight. It wasn't, oh, this, do this look the same? Let me see the other hair, the other blue.
Where is it?
There you go. You don't want to lose that.
And shit.
Yeah, these are the same, except this is just like that color. But what I would say is if you're going to do this one, you gotta just go light. But I'm trying to see if like maybe...
Oh, well, there's the other one right
Wait,
there.
this is 2. They got 4.
They got 613 right here.
Where?
The blonde one up here, see?
613. Okay, yeah.
See that?
But isn't this 613?
No, that's M27 613. That's just
613.
That's lighter. You see what I'm saying?
Yes. Okay. So we're gonna... How are we gonna get over there?
this stick here.
It's the stick. Yo. Nah. This might be actually very much so very insane. Like, this is actually crazy.
It's a DIY baby surprise.
DIY. Because what? And how many you want? 2?
I just want a little bit of this.
Yeah, this little, that's, yeah,
Yeah,
this little. Oh my God. It's fine.
Is that going to be okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. Because then you're going to, like, spread it out and it's going to get bigger. And then as time goes by, it's going to, you know, fluff up. Because when's your birthday again? How many weeks?
2, but I'm gonna get this for now.
Yeah, that's it. That's all you need. I had this the same one you saw me with last time. So you really just need that for 2 weeks. You love.
I'm like, oh, there's a ponytail right there. It's a whole man going on the floor. This place is crazy.
Nobody here to see me do it either. Yeah, this is, oh, tea. Like they even got, like, any girls that love hair and beauty, this is heaven for you. But for me, I'm in hell.
What kind of rubber band do we need?
Oh, scrunchies. We really just need like a scrunchie, like a good scrunchie.
Yeah, but let's get a scrunchie because.
Yeah.
Okay. Who needs to get a scrunchie? Cause
Yeah, do you guys have like hair ties? Hair tie?
Yeah, come this side.
Okay.
Same moisture other side. Yeah, thanks. Okay. Hi, how are you, my dear? What happened? Long time no see.
Okay. So I would say make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. My phone had ended up dying while I was at the hair store, so I didn't get to record again until I got back in her house. As you see, I'm just pretty much crocheting the hair onto the hair tie. And that's how I get that flawless ponytail look that I use so often. This is my favorite go-to hairstyle, especially when I don't feel like doing my hair or doing too much, or I just don't want to have like a regular slick back. I want a cool slick back. So I love this ponytail. It's my favorite thing to do. But thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, POV, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I kind of like it.